ride in the 2005 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, power steering, cruise control, power windows, trip computer, compass, fog lamps, remote power door locks, leather seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.